Let me rephrase that. Everyone, except Davenport, get out and swim to shore. Jake, how about you start it off?
There we go. In you go.
All right, Jake, you got it, buddy.
Go on, Jakey. Coach.
Come on, buddy.
Yep.
Good luck, buddy. Got a man right behind you.
Balance the boat.
Come on.
Lean away.
Come on, Jake. There you go. That's it. All right, everybody else, out of the boat, come on.
I don't see the point in this, Coach.
Ben, I can still see you.
Come on, man.
Come on, Taylor.
Oh!
Okay, Davenport, row the boat back to shore.
How?
That's your problem. Row back! Hurry up! I thought you said you could move faster alone.
This is different.
You damn right it is. A lot more like real life. Okay, lesson over. Get out there and help Davenport.
Row.
You are gonna learn something that can't be taught in a book or a classroom. Out on that river, you will learn how to be a team. I'm your new coach, Coach Murphy.
Must be the transfer. Chris, right?
Yeah. My father was in the Army. Never talked about it much.
For a long time, I was the same way.
You know well as anyone what rowing means to Bellston. All big donors expect great things.
Son, that was a damn embarrassment.
I can promise we'll work hard.
Are you falling for him? No. Wow, okay. Hi, cuz.
Isn't it boring just rowing up and down that river every day?
Boring? I could literally stay out there forever.
You are here to learn one of the most important lessons in life. How to work together to achieve the impossible. So you're the leader of this team?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I got the top rowing machine score.
Rowing machines measure endurance, son, not leadership.
Row!
You know, maybe he really is the better man.
We can't win. You know that.
They'll follow if you lead.
We have one more race. Who's with me?
I don't forget. I remember every single day.
I'm gonna get my seat back. We need to race.
Finish with pride!
No man is an island. Every single one of you needs to commit to this.